So today we're going to show you how to create a professional YouTube thumbnail even when your subject looks like this. Don't worry, I brought a professional photographer. She's also my wife, so she has to make me look good. First, she has to set up all equipment. She's using 2 flashlights, a green screen, and of course a camera. This flashlight is for the background. It prevents a lot of shadows on the green screen. The second one is for the face. It uses a soft box so it's not that bright. A lot of times is spent on setting up the flashes, the positions and how hard they flash. The 2 flashes are remotely controlled by this unit. Now the subject me is added and we have to make sure all the lights are working correctly. After a test photo we can start making all kinds of facial expressions. You can also change the background if needed. Of course, you don't really need a photographer. You can also do this with a green screen and your phone. If this thumbnail worked, like the video. If not, blame my face.